Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Shenron from Dragon Ball. He is the eternal the basically the dragon. When you gather up all the Dragon Balls, you're gonna get him, or you're gonna get that other one, the Namekian one. But we're gonna draw Shenron, the Earth Dragon. It's gonna be mostly just his head. Got a really cool look to his head, so that's what we're gonna do. All right. It's gonna be easy, and generally for beginners. I think this one beginners can do it. So that's pretty much it. You can do it in marker, pencil, anything you want. So let's jump in, okay? What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a line here for one of the eyes. Go over here on this side. I'm gonna do a split kind of between the eyes down here. I'm gonna pull a curve up over here for the top of one eye. Curve line down here, curve underneath, and I'm going to draw a bag under the eye here. Over here at the other side, line over here, side of the head over here. That over here. There's going to be a bag under the eye. So you got the two eyes relatively close to each other with kind of a furrowed, kind of angry, kind of like, like stern look. All right. So let's go over here and find the far side of the mouth. Like this, it's kind of like the cheekbone. Snout. Going to go over here to the front, pull out, down. Out over here. Like the lip area, so it's gonna be the bottom of the snout. Down over here on this side. All right, we got the front of the snout on this side. Okay, draw a nostril right here, nostril right here. I'm gonna draw a little bit of a wave right here in the middle portion of that snout, pulling out. Down, curve up. Over here on this, I'm gonna actually find the teeth now. So these pretty sharp on the corners there, and then in between from here, and we're gonna draw like slightly smaller teeth, like so. Right here, it's gonna be a mix. Curve over here, line up. Gonna go over here along the forehead, curve, along the head here, pulling up, curve, around the corner, down, corner, down. Gonna go over here and find a little bit of the cheek here, and I'm gonna draw the lower jaw, okay? So pulling down, pulling in, pulling down. Curve underneath. Pulling up. Teeth right here. Teeth right here. Zigzag here, up. So you get that lower part of the, basically the jaw. And I'm going to pull a line over here for the tongue. Tongue's on the inside, okay? Right here. And I'm going to fill in all this shape right here for the back part of the teeth. So it's going to give it a better look. Don't forget, leave any, say hi to me if you actually hear my voice right now. Say hi in the comments. Be like, hey, what's up? Something like that. And I will reply to every single person. This is a seasonal channel, Halloween, Christmas. But this is the middle of the year, right? So this is going to be one of those times where I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to keep the channel going because I like it and turn it into more like a scary, spooky channel through the year. So for the next many months, just spooky type monster related art. So absolutely request something, okay? Somebody said Krusty the Clown. That's not scary enough. I need like a scary version of Krusty or something. Was there a scary version of Krusty? I think there might have been. There's like that doll version. Anywho, back to Dragon Ball. But this guy kind of qualifies because he is a monster. He's a dragon, essentially a monster. Right here, so it's got like some hair on the side there. Pulling out over here, up, curve down, out over here, down. Continue to pull down. So basically he has these antlers that stick out of his head right here. So out over here, another stick, curve, out over here, down, in, right here. Go over here on this side, out, up, curve down, out over here, curve in. I'm basically like imagining these pipes coming out of the head here. Up, up. Line over here, 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 line over here. Spikes kind of from the center point of his back, but I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a line out because that's, you know, he's a dragon, so he's gonna have that long neck. Go over here, maybe at the bottom, and find his neck through all this, like so. Gonna find that snake belly. Continue out here, and I'm gonna draw spikes here. Okay. Curve, curve, and that snake belly. It's gonna have this easy pattern to recognize. And I guess you could, it kind of goes off the page, but you could kind of do that. So what I want to do now is I want to find the texture on him. So curve, curve, curve. It's like these U shapes that are somewhat connected, somewhat not connected. You know? Like so. Like this, like so. Curve around the side here, curve around the side. Right here, just like put them around all over the place, and it's gonna make it look like an overall texture, like a scale texture. And I think that's a big part of this guy, is this kind of scary, kind of like, obviously like the texture of the dragon is a huge deal. I'll make a dragon playlist, by the way, if you just let me know. Let me know in the comments and I will make a dragon playlist. And then curve under here, just kind of find the rest of this. But that's it. That's pretty much it. If you like what you saw, hit the like button if you're here by now. And don't forget, hit the subscribe. You know, only a small percentage of you that watch actually are subscribed. So make today the day that you subscribe. Okay? Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time. Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.